Hello, I'm Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and welcome to my channel today. Today, we're going to do an Amazon wig unboxing. And I've had people ask me, Elaine, why do you do wig unboxings on your life coaching channel? The reason I do that is because when a woman feels good about her hair, she feels good all over. And I know a lot of folks suffer with hair loss due to alopecia or possibly chemo. And I've explained before that when my husband was ill with cancer and taking his chemo treatments, I ran into a lot of ladies who lost their hair due to chemo. And this is just kind of my way of giving tribute to them and letting them know how brave and wonderful and strong I believe they are. And this is also a way for us to kind of step outside of our comfort zone, think outside the box, and kind of see things a little bit differently. I know when I put on my favorite wig, Frederica, I feel a little bit more confident, a little bit more sexy, a little bit more vibrant when I put that wig on, and it makes me feel younger. And it's because it's a full head of hair, and my hair has gotten thinner as I went through menopause. So the first wig, I have already taken it out of the package, but I have not taken it out of this. I went ahead and opened the package and just pulled it out so I could see which one it is. This is a wig from ELIM. It says short blonde wig, and it is wig number 7255A2, and it has another number on there, 6-01-604-3. And the barcode number on it is X001ZC94U5. So let's see which one this is. I ordered one that was blonde with beachy waves, and I hope this is that one because I've been really anxious to see what that looks like on me. So let's open this up and see how it goes. Well, it's got a little wig cap with it. And this is always nice to have. You can't have too many of these. If you wear wigs, these are really nice to have. It holds your hair down so that your wig will lay flat against your head for those of you who have longer hairstyles. So let's get the wig out and let's see how this looks. Well, it has one of those hair nets that I hate, but I'm going to try to get it off here and not cuss. So here we go. Well, here we may go. There we go. Okay, now, oh, this is the beachy one. I'm really excited to see this one. And I'm not sure where the part I was thinking that this had, it looks like she's got a center part. And I believe, if you can see the part there, this would be one that I could actually put some concealer on the part and make it look a little more realistic. She is not a lace front wig, but let's look at the construction of her and see what she has. She does have a lace top and open mesh. She has the adjustable straps on the back. And she does have the tabs here on the side so you can make sure you have your wig on straight. Now I'm going to give her a good shake because anytime you take a wig out of the packaging, you need to just shake it because, oh, and there's lots of hair coming out of her too. Lots of hair. So just shake her down good. I'm going to pop her on my head and just see how she looks. I may have to give her a name, and I don't know yet what I will call this one. But this one, I will say, if you have a large head, this wig may not fit you. This wig is a smaller wig. And, oh, there we go. No, she's not a center part. She is an off-center part, which I like much, much better. And here we go with my little beach baby blonde. Now, I don't know if this is my best look or if it's not my best look. I think this is something different. I think I probably would actually wear this wig just because I think she's cute. I would probably put a headband or something, you know, right across this part of her to make her look a little more realistic because she does not have a lace front, if you can see there. So yeah, cute little wig. She actually feels really good. It doesn't seem like, after I shook her out, it doesn't seem like there's a lot of shed here. So this is the blonde curly beachy wig. I actually like this wig pretty well, and I think once I can do something with this hairline, make it look a little bit better, I believe I might actually wear this wig. I may have to pluck a little of the hair out right in through here because she's a little full around my face. But all in all, not a bad wig. I believe that this particular wig was $21 and some change. So if my memory serves me correctly, that's what she was. So I will put all that information down in the description so that you will know all the information that I know about this wig. So let's try the next one. Now I've already slit the box open, but I have not looked inside. So we're gonna look inside, see what I got in, see what else I got in here. And get all the packing material out of here. And here's one. And here's the other. So I've had 3 wigs. This next wig is a silver wig, and I remember ordering this one because it's kind of like a long shag, and I just have a little soft spot in my heart for some reason for silver wigs. I think they're cute, and I think they're kind of sassy. So let's look at this. Let's see how this is going to do, and let's see where we can go with this. This is actually wig number. Well, I don't see a wig number. It is barcode number X00200Q2KV. So open her up. And she also comes with a wig cap. She's got a little bit of a different style of a wig cap. Well, maybe it's the same type. I always like to get a wig cap with them because you can't have if you're gonna wear wigs, you need those wig caps. You can't have too many wig caps. So she is wig number 7190A 6-01621-4. And she also, I think every wig that you get, comes with these little hairnet things on. And I really hate these things, but that does keep your wig in place. So let's try this one. Let's look at the construction and see what it's got. Now this reminds me of one wig I already have called the Old Gray Mare, and she actually looks like the Old Gray Mare, but she's a little longer in the back. She's got the laced top, just the lace top, not a lace front wig. Open mesh with the adjustable straps, has the tabs on the side. And let's just give her a shake, see how much she sheds. She's shedding quite a bit too. I've got her off camera here shaking her so that I don't get wig hair all over my black outfit. But this is what she looks like. So we are going to try her on. I think this wig is almost channeling David Bowie. So let's pop her on my head and let's see how she does. Okay, this is a little bit bigger wig. So if you have a larger head, this wig will fit you. I have a small head, so I have to kind of be careful about the wigs that I wear because I don't want to get in a situation where I have to alter all of my wigs. And I've learned how to do that, but it's never any fun. Okay, here's this one. And she's kind of a cool wig too. I do like the fact that she's got some hair in the back. I think I can adjust her out enough to tighten it down and it be okay. Let me make sure I've got her on straight. I would have to do something with these bangs because it looks a little wiggy to me. But all in all, I enjoy the wig. I think it's cute. I think it's fun. I think it's something that I would actually put on and wear out. Yeah, there we go. That's a little bit better. And if you all hear something that sounds like a little doggy running around, It is. My little dog is down here, and she wants up here on my chair with me while I'm making this video because she can't stand it because I don't have my attention on her for a minute. But I really like this wig. It's cute, it's fun, it's functional. If you want a silver wig or you just want to have some fun with something one day, I would recommend this wig. I think this wig was like $19 and some change. And it's just a cool little wig. You could, of course, you'd want to do something with your own hair, but you could probably push it behind your ears if you wanted to wear it that way and have this, like that. And it's cute. I like this wig. The next wig that I've got is, I remember this one as well. This is a black curly wig. And this wig is by Kallys. Short curly wig. We're gonna try this on. I haven't had black hair in a long time. So I'm gonna try this on. You're gonna get to see me with black hair and we're gonna just see how it goes. So open her up and I'll get the wig number. I can't read it from inside here because the tag is turned around backwards. So this wig, she really is curly. She is a lot curlier than I thought she would be. The picture looked like she had more loose waves than this. This is curly, but I think once I work with it, I could probably get some of the curl out of there. So she is, I don't see a wig number on her. The barcode number is X000ZXC, let me start again, X000ZXC0BB. She does have a tag, but all the tag says is Kallys. And it's just a little thank you for buying the wig. See how she's constructed. She also has the lace top, not a lace front wig, just a lace top wig. And she has the adjustable straps in the back. And looks like the straps are already adjusted. She does, I don't see, I guess that's the tabs right there. So we're going to try her on and we're gonna see how she looks. So here we go. Okay, right off the bat, I will tell you, this wig is not nearly as comfortable as the other two wigs. There is something right up here in the lace, and I might be able to sew a piece of velour or something on it to make it look a little different or to feel a little different, but she's a little scratchy right up front here. Other than that, though, I actually enjoy looking at the wig, and I've got to say, this wig is very, very soft. She feels good. I don't know if I would be able to do something like that to kind of pull it over to the side, which I think would look better than straight back. I'm really not a fan of that. So I would have to style this wig a little bit, or even, do something else. So I would have to wet her down, style her, put her in a hot box, do something to, or a wig box, and get her to, cooperate with me a little bit. But all in all, she's a little larger than the first wig I tried on, but she's not extremely large. So, but I think she would fit okay, ladies, if you have a larger head. And I actually don't mind this wig. I am not certain that I am a brunette or but I do think that I could probably wear this okay if I wore a head wrap or something with this wig. And I could hide this because this right here looks really wiggy to me. So I would have to somehow style this hair to come down and cover that, because I would not want to wear that where that part showed. But if I can, fix it some way where that doesn't show and where it looks really good, then I think I would be okay with this wig. This is not quite as much hair as the blonde curly wig Oh, I got wig hair in my mouth. As the blonde curly wig that I bought before and did a review. But all in all, these little wigs on Amazon, these are fun little wigs. They're a lot of fun to just pop on your head if you just want a different look. And let me just say now that doing these wig unboxings is a great deal of fun for me. But I'm not suggesting that these would be wigs that you would want to wear every day if you have hair loss. These are fashion wigs. These are merely wigs that you would want to wear if you wanted to just have a fun day and look a little bit differently. If you have something that has caused hair loss and you have to wear a wig every day, I would highly recommend that you go to a wig shop, try on wigs, see how they look, and purchase there. Now, my preference in wigs is a synthetic wig. I actually like synthetic wigs because they are much less trouble to style than a human hair wig. But that would be your personal preference. Human hair does look much more realistic than a synthetic wig. Although you can take a synthetic wig and you can spray some dry shampoo on it or add a little bit of talcum powder to it, and that knocks the shine down on the wig and they look much, much more realistic. I hope you guys have a great day today. Go out and do something special today. Step outside of your comfort zone just a little bit and let God lead you. God bless. Maranatha.